Mahindra Kirby here from Walkthru Farm Equipment to show you the new Mahindra eMAX 22s. This tractor has lift capacity more than double all the other manufacturers out there. This is all metal. Metal hood, metal fenders, everything. Cast steel front end, no aluminum through the midsection. This unit is really rugged. We've got a overall grill guard that comes standard on this. Twin pistons on the loader, not one piston like the other guys in the middle. This particular tractor has industrial tires with a single lever joystick on the bucket. Okay, hand throttle, independent, 2 pedals for those guys with bigger feet like me. So you can go forward and reverse easy enough. Hydrostatic. This unit locks in cruise control and e-brake lock here. You have a differential lock. Fluid, fast and slow fluid control right here for your 3-point hitch, which is up and down lever. Over here you have a high and low range, 2- and 4-wheel drive on and off, rear PTO, neutral, and then mid PTO. Mid PTO is standard on this unit. This is one seat, does all with this backhoe. The seat comes up, turns around, you're able to run your backhoe. You have a foldable ROPS on this unit. This backhoe is constructed with a 4-point mounting system, so there's only 2 pins on this backhoe that you need to take off, 1 on each side, and this backhoe is off this unit. Then you're able to hook up your 3-point hitch attachments, and it's category 1 3-point hitch, unlike a lot of the other guys. With this backhoe, you have availability to put a thumb on this backhoe. It would hook in right here. It's already pre-machined for a thumb. It has gripping teeth right here. The bucket has Hensley bolt-on teeth. It doesn't get any better than that. Removable teeth, they are rugged. This backhoe is just an animal of a backhoe. Overall in this tractor, you've got your oil fill right here in the back while we're right here. As we come around to the engine compartment, we can show you easy accessibility. This whole unit opens right up. You've got your air filter right here, Donaldson air cleaner. Your fuel filter right in the center. You shut this off, you can unscrew your fuel filter. Very easy, you can get right at your battery. You've got a screen right here to clean out. Very easy. Any fusible links are all right here. Main fusible links, if there's ever a problem, you're easily accessible. 3-cylinder diesel. These side panels come right off this tractor on each side, so you can do your oil change. And it's all metal. Again, this is all metal. It doesn't get any better than that. This tractor has an orbital steering motor for hydrostatic power steering. It's just one beast of a little tractor. I can't say enough good things about this tractor. As I pull it forward, you lock up your grill guard right here, lock it into place, and now we're ready for a ride. This tractor has a glow plug preheat system. Turn the key, push your pedal down, wait about 13 seconds, crack your throttle, quarter throttle. Now we're in business. At an idle, this tractor bucket works faster than other manufacturers when it's cranked right up. Very tight turning radius, which is unlike any of the other manufacturers as well. Their steering system is tucked up with 1 steering cylinder. We don't have any tie rod ends hanging low. Everything is up and out of the way. This tractor cannot be beat with a 7-year warranty from Mahindra. I'm Ed from Walkthru Farm Equipment. We'd love to see you in a new Mahindra.